using, buddy? Gosh, he's moving. He got off.
Yeah, he's floating now.
He still has a lot of ugly water in front of him.
After a short ride offshore, Captain Denny anchored over a rocky patch on the bottom. We were fishing for grouper, and it wasn't long before we were into a good bite. This is a red grouper coming up from the bottom. This is a young gag grouper. He's a little small, so he goes back to grow up. Here's where the pufferfish shows up. He's followed the bait up from the bottom, and this is the normal, unstressed pufferfish appearance. The pufferfish is not giving up on this piece of bait, and eventually this gets him into trouble. The pufferfish was very persistent and followed this bait down to the bottom. At some point, he tugged hard enough that Captain Denny reacted, thinking he had a grouper bite. This is when the hook snagged the side skin of the pufferfish. Here I am checking the GoPro battery. This video was shot with the original GoPro Hero.
Alright, Captain Denny, there's your Puff the Magic Dragon fish.
Trophy fish. He weighs about 4 pounds with all that water in him.
He's going back in the water. Alright.
There he is. He's about 2/3 full.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Look at him. He's like, okay, I'm going to work this out.
There you go.
There he goes.
I'm including this snapshot because some of my YouTube commenters are upset because they think we're ripping out a chunk of the puffer's body before tossing him back into the Gulf. The chunk is the cut mullet we use for bait. The hook only penetrated the tough skin of the pufferfish. Captain Denny expertly worked the hook back out the entrance hole, and a frisky pufferfish returned to the sea.